Everything begins with the soil, with the decision to create something today whose value will continue to grow for many years. In the heart of Paraguay, Grupo Felber combines modern forestry with experience, technology, and a long-term vision. From land preparation to the finished product, we accompany wood throughout its entire value chain. The foundation of a productive forest begins long before planting. In our own nursery, we produce selected plant material for our forestry projects. We combine suitable genetics, experience, and rigorous quality control. Because the quality of a forest begins with the quality of every single plant. Millions of young plants pass through different stages of development here. They are carefully nurtured, monitored, and specifically prepared for the conditions they will later encounter in our plantations. Modern irrigation systems, skilled employees, and continuous quality control create the conditions required for uniform growth and high-performing plantations. What begins here as something small develops, over the years, into a valuable and continuously renewable raw material. After careful preparation, the next stage begins. Planting. Every tree is part of a long-term plan. But our work does not end once the trees are planted. From plantation management and forest monitoring to the eventual harvest, our teams accompany each area throughout its entire production cycle. Today, Grupo Felber manages approximately 15,000 hectares, integrating forestry, harvesting, logistics, and industrial processing within a single corporate group. Across these areas, approximately 500,000 cubic meters of wood grow every year. From small plants, productive forests emerge. And from sustainable growth comes the foundation of our entire value chain. For us, forestry means much more than producing wood. It means responsibility towards the land, our resources, and our people. Numerous activities work together and require experience, discipline, and a daily presence in the field. The result is not only a valuable raw material. Forestry creates long-term employment, knowledge, and economic opportunities in Paraguay's rural regions. For an integrated forestry operation to function reliably, it requires a solid infrastructure. Machines, vehicles, and equipment need to be available every day. Our own technical departments, workshops, and skilled personnel allow us to respond quickly and keep an important part of our operations under our own control. Because reliability does not begin only in the forest. It begins behind every operation. When a plantation reaches its planned harvesting age, the forest harvest begins. Here too, we rely on modern mechanization, experience, and carefully coordinated processes. We place particular importance on harvesting methods that minimize the impact on the soil. Our machines and harvesting systems are selected and specifically adapted to the soil conditions and characteristics of each individual area. In this way, we combine high productivity with responsible soil management. From felling and extraction to timber preparation, every stage connects seamlessly with the next. The combination of people, machinery, and planning enables us to reliably execute even large-scale projects. With several hundred employees and an annual production of approximately 500,000 cubic meters of wood, Grupo Felber ranks among Paraguay's largest integrated forestry companies. Our experience covers the entire forestry cycle, from the initial preparation of the land to supplying raw material to industry. But for Grupo Felber, the value chain does not end with the harvest. The raw material continues its journey through the transformation process. In our industrial operations, wood is transformed into products for a wide range of applications and markets. All of the wood we produce is utilized, either within our own processing operations or by our customers and industrial partners. Different types and qualities of wood are directed specifically towards the applications where their characteristics can deliver the greatest benefit and added value. Our objective is clear: to use this renewable raw material as efficiently and comprehensively as possible, from forestry to industry, within one integrated structure. A tree becomes a raw material. That raw material becomes a product, and that product can ultimately become a home. Our capabilities range from timber production and processing to higher value finished products and prefabricated timber homes. In this way, we create greater added value where our raw material grows. In Paraguay, efficient production requires equally efficient logistics. From our plantations and production facilities, wood is reliably transported both to our own processing operations and to customers and industrial consumers. Each type of wood is directed to the destination best suited to its characteristics, because for us, integrated forestry means utilizing wood comprehensively, efficiently, and responsibly. But behind all these machines, forests, and production processes are, above all, people. People who take responsibility, people who share their experience and knowledge, and people who work every day to build something together. They are the foundation of our company. We do not think only about the next harvest. We think in generations. From the soil to the finished product, Grupo Felber, forestry, industry, future.